Hello children, this is Samita Badola. Today I am going to teach you about sentences and punctuation marks. So let's start. Let's read these groups of words. First, going to school. Second, football with friend. Do these words make complete sense? No. Do you know why? Because they are incomplete sentences. Some words have to be added to them to form a sentence. Let's see how. Now read these. I and my sister are going to school. Atul is playing football with his friend. These groups of words now make complete sense. So we have learned a group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. All sentences begin with a capital letter. Sentences end with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Let's know where do we use capital letters. We use capital letters to begin sentences. Write names of people and places. Write I as pronoun. Write days of the week and months of the year. Write all titles. Full stop is used at the end of a sentence. For example, I will go there. It is also used at the end of an indirect question. For example, I am asking what the day is. It is used at the end of a command. For example, open the door. It is also used in abbreviations. For example, AM, PM. It is used in website and email addresses. For example, www.jpsnoida06.com. It is used in numbers, for example 5.14. It indicates that there is nothing more to say on a topic. The sentence ended and another is about to begin. Children, do you know where do we use question mark? Now let's learn about it. A sentence which ends with a question mark is an interrogative sentence or a question sentence because it asks a question. It usually starts with who, did, why, what, how, where, is, or when. For example, where do you live? What did you do? Why did you litter the park? Does she like apples? Do you go to school? Children, when you observe and read all these sentences, you will find that each group of words makes complete sense, and that is why we call each group of words a sentence. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends up with full stop. But here we use question mark because all the sentences start with where, what, why, does, and do. All these words are question words, and because we are asking a question here, so there is need to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Now let's learn about exclamation mark. It is used to demonstrate strong feelings or emotion such as shock, surprise, anger, or a raised voice. For example, ah, it's eating my leg. Aha, there you are. It is also used to give a command. For example, stop, sit down. It is commonly used after interjections or exclamatory sentences. For example, oh dear, I have lost my keys again. Another example of it, how interesting this film is. Now let's do this exercise to check what have you learnt. Read the sentences aloud and punctuate them. My dog has a short tail. In this sentence, you have to start the sentence with the capital letter and you need to put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Now, in the second sentence, you can see here the word where is a question word. So you need to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. In the third sentence, again you will start the sentence with the capital letter. But in this sentence, when you read it, wow, this is such a clean park. Here you are showing expression. So after wow, you need to put exclamation mark. And at the end of the sentence, you need to put the full stop. In the same way, oh, I'm hurt. Again, you are showing a sudden feeling. So you need to put the exclamation mark after oh and put the full stop at the end of the sentence. In the last sentence, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. You will start the sentence with the capital letter and you will put the full stop at the end of the sentence. But here we have written Taj Mahal and Agra. Taj Mahal is the name of the famous monument. So you need to write in the capital letter, and Agra is also a name of a place. So when you write the Agra, you will make A capital. Now here you can check your answer. You can see here we start our sentence with capital letter and we put full stop, question mark and exclamation sign according to the sentences. When we use question word in our sentence, we put the question mark. And when we show expression, sudden feeling, shock, surprise, then we use exclamation mark in our sentences. Now it's time to ask riddles. Are you ready? So let's start. I am round at the top and straight at the bottom with a little dot at my feet. You will find me at the end of a sentence where I take my seat. I am in search of an answer. So what am I? Have you guessed? Take your time and think, who am I? Yes, you are thinking right. I am a question mark. So be ready for the next riddle. I am fat at the top and thin at the bottom with a little dot at my feet. You will find me in the middle and at the end of the sentence and sometimes can be combined with a question mark. I am an expression of shock, joy and hurry. Have you guessed? Who am I? Again take your time and give the answer. Yes, you are right. It's a exclamation mark. Hope you enjoy this video. Now you will practice of making sentence and use the punctuation mark in them. Bye bye. Take care.